New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Pickup trucks have been playing follow the leader for over 40 years, and Ford F-150 is the undisputed champion. Rock-solid durability, up to the nanosecond technology, and jaw-dropping capability. That's how you get to be America's best-selling pickup truck. Choose from 7 models in numerous cab, box, and engine options to fit your needs. F-150 is the class leader in maximum payload capacity and was awarded a 5-star overall crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The body and box are made from high-strength military-grade aluminum alloys, so the F-150 is tough, lightweight, and efficient. Thanks to the available class-exclusive Pro Trailer Backup Assist, backing up a trailer is as easy as turning a knob. And when it comes time to tow, put the F-150's best-in-class 13,200-pound max tow rating to work. Available Sync 3 brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone capability and voice-activated navigation to an LCD touchscreen. Available Sync Connect adds a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 10 devices. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an F-150 that's all yours. The Ford F-150. Put one on your crew today.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.